In this video, I am going to show you how to create a MetaMask wallet. Okay, very short video. All right, my name is Kojunketia Mensa. Okay, I am the CEO of SAS Media Studio. So I create videos related to cryptocurrency updates, website development, email marketing, making passive money online. So please subscribe if you want such content. All right, so now let's move ahead. Now, at the description of the video, I am going to add a link to a MetaMask website. Okay, so all you have to do is just click on that link and you'll be redirected to this wonderful page. All right, so now we have three options. So we have the Chrome extension, we have the iOS app, okay, and we have the Android app. Okay, so if you have Android app, you can install it on your Android phone. If you have iOS, you can install it on your iPhone, and if you are using computer, you just have to add it to your Chrome. All right, but the purpose of this video, I am going to focus on the Chrome, so I'm going to add it to your Chrome browser. All right, all you have to do is just to scroll down and you can see something like this. Okay, now note it does not only support Chrome, so if you are using Firefox, Brave, Edge, or Opera Mini, when you click on the link, you are going to see that if you are using Firefox, it will automatically you will automatically see install MetaMask for Firefox. If you are using Brave, you will see install MetaMask for Brave. You understand? But I am using Chrome, that is why I am seeing install MetaMask for Chrome. Okay, so all you have to do is just click on install MetaMask for Chrome. All right, so as you can see, all you have to do is just click on add to Chrome. Then you have to click on add extension. All right, so yes, so as you can see, our installation has been done completely. So now we are going to register MetaMask. Okay, all you have to do is just check this. Okay, then click on create a new wallet. Okay, all right, then click on I agree. Then you need to set a password. Okay, all right, after entering your password, you just have to check this. I understand that MetaMask cannot recover this password for me. Then click on create a new wallet. All right, so now secure your wallet. So you can choose to secure your wallet, okay, by setting a secret recovery phrase. So we are going to do that so that in case we miss our password, you can log in using this secret phrase. All right, so just click on secure my wallet. All right, just click reveal secret recovery phrase. So this is it. Okay, I am going to copy mine, I'm going to paste it here. All right, so that is it. So I'm going to click on next. So now they are asking us to enter our secret phrase. Okay, so this is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so they said you should type the third secret phrase. So I am going here to do some counting. All right, so that is it. So 1, 2, 3. So that means this is the third phrase. I'm going to copy that and I'm going to paste it over here. For security reasons, you can write it on a piece of paper as well. Okay, so that when your PC is compromised, you can still get access to your wallet. And it is better to write it on a piece of paper without a digital storage, because when you save it on your PC can be compromised anytime and people can steal your data on your PC, and hence they can get into your wallet. So it's better you write it on a piece of paper. Okay, and that's cool. Yes, so I'm going to open this. So the fourth one is rural. Okay, I'm going to copy that, I'm going to paste it over there as well. And this is the eighth phrase. Okay, so this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the slide is the 8. Okay, I am showing you this phrase because I'm not going to use this account. I don't use this account at all. It's a new account I'm creating. I will not use it. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, so now click on confirm, then click on got it, click on next, click on done. It's done now. Just click here to close it. Okay, that's it. So just click on this icon over here, which is the extension icon, then click on pin, okay, to pin the MetaMask wallet. Okay, so basically that is how you can create your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so if you have a phone, if you want to import this wallet into your mobile phone, okay, or you install the app on your mobile phone, if you want to import your wallet over there, all you have to do is just have to use your phrase, and that's all. You understand? So that's basically how to do this. Please, if you like this video, subscribe for future updates and like this video. If you have any question, leave it at the comment section. All right, we are going to use this wallet for a lot of airdrops, so please kindly subscribe for future updates. Let's meet you next time. Goodbye.